joining the ranks of Singapore's most iconic architectural landmarks, such as Marina Bay Sands, Sky Habitat, and Jewel Changi Airport. The Surbana Jurong campus is the latest addition by Safdie Architects to the Garden City. Designed around a central walkway with lush gardens, the campus is publicly accessible to pedestrians while providing office space to 4,000 employees, blurring the line between architecture and nature. The campus of this consultancy stands in Jurong, a green suburb mostly unaffected by dense urban development. The large-scale project is situated within a vibrant tropical landscape, adjacent to the Jurong Eco Garden and Singapore's railway system. Frame spoke with Chori Kokate, senior partner at Safdie Architects, who spearheaded the project.
The proximity of the public transportation system meant that everybody in the neighborhood would walk through the site or walk around the site to get to the train. We were going to design for the people who were using the project, like the employees of Surbana Jurong, but we also wished to design for the community around it.
An open atrium and walkway with indoor tropical gardens lies at the heart of the building, connecting 10 office pavilions with rooftop gardens. The stepped cantilevered facade of the building's eastern blocks allows the continued growth of vegetation underneath and creates a treehouse effect for users inside. This clustering fosters interaction and a village-like atmosphere. Natural light floods the interior through extensive glass facades, creating a transparent connection between the outside gardens and the greenery inside. The campus employs cutting-edge, high-performance glazing that maximizes daylight without transferring heat. It also features EV charging stations and bicycle parking. Solar panels fill the rooftops, harnessing Singapore's abundant sunlight. A state-of-the-art mechanical system minimizes energy use, making this one of Singapore's first super low-energy buildings in its kind. But sustainability comes in two ways, notes Kokate.
There are two ways of looking at sustainability. There's the quantitative sustainability where you get your green mark and all that stuff. And then there is the qualitative part of it, which is creating a great quality of life.
Replacing isolated meeting rooms with garden discussions, the open design of Surbana Jurong fosters a collaborative environment. Users can be more connected to one another and their surroundings.
Now, because we've given them flexibility in design, we've created this openness, people's working methods have changed. They meet in the garden instead of a meeting room. That changes the mentality of how you are. People are more relaxed, they're more open-minded, there's a greater exchange of ideas because people are relaxed. I think that has had a lot of positive impact.